So we want to get our location using the Python script, using a Python script rather to get the location. So we're going to get started. So we're going to use Google Maps API keys to get the location, our current location. So depending on the Google API keys, use them to get the location. So it's better that I say that Google API keys. Let's go to the good credentials page to get the API keys. So here you can see that we can create a project, and when you create the project, you get your own API key. So that's it. So first go the credentials, go to create project, and create a project, and use it. Use the API key that we obtained to get to create the project. Rather to use in Python script. So make sure you've done it. So in the create project, yeah, it'll just be asked location and everything, and yeah. So it's rather safe that I say that Google also accepts billings, payments, so for better APIs and better location mapping. You really need to upgrade for so for the services. So after you get the API, go to Visual Studio Code, and as you can see, I've defined it as a location.py, and yeah. So when you get your API key from the Google Maps, create a .env file, and within the .env file, enter enter the variable Google Maps. This variable Google Maps API key, and the variable the API key you get. Let's say is really won't show my API key because I already created it in the .env file. So yeah, so I won't show it all. So a .env file is critical for storing private information, or keys or passwords. So let's get started. So now that we have our API key stored in an environmental variable, we are going to start creating our Python script. So import the following libraries. Also import requests, could be handling requests. This one will also be importing the importing the maps. Uh, yeah, so we'll also import JSON since we do JSON for this JavaScript object notation. So and we'll also import SOS checks on the local machine. Then, so after that we have to load and that we declare the variable that I told you what we had in the end file. So API key, say that OS and yeah, get the environment which is the same as this. So that's variable we want to take from the file which we have, which has the key. So we want to get the current IP address where we are. So we'll write IP address. And the IP address will take request, get request, and we'll declare this HTTPS slash API AP5. This will actually help us get the. So we want it to be text. So we'll write in text. to get the URL location information using the URL. So format first. And, URL. So yes, and say info. Yeah, IP info, of course. Um, file and format. Say IP address and there. Yeah. And then let's say it's what it is. Let's pass this on response latitude and longitude. So we'll come and say data is equals to load, we load the response, response, response. So I don't want response is. So response is that. So response is what we get from the URL. Response is what we get declared the URL. So, so after getting the data, we'll have the latitude and the longitude. So save data and location because it's the actual key for using the latitude location. Say dot split equals log splitted by comma, meaning that we the log key we have the latitude and longitude which is separated by say let's say we have this as our latitude and it's our longitude. This is what we want to get. So after splitting, check check if the latitudes and longitudes are valid. So we'll have to use the statement. So is none and longitude not none as well. Check. So if both of these are not none, we'll, we'll create the Google Maps plot centered on the location. So yeah, so we'll tap that and we'll call this Gmap. And it's safe to decide that we want a zoom of 15. And we zoomed in. So after that, we can declare the mark where we are. So the marker will also take the floats, take these floats of latitude and longitude because these are in floats. So take that and paste that. And after all that, we will have the API key. So you know, API key and the API key is so basically I API key. So after getting the API key, we need to draw the map HTML and enter down the browser. So we call that map HTML. This is where our latitude and longitude and the map will be will be located. So let's bring some console in location location in and that print, print something else. So if not getting the location, say location not obtained. Okay. So basically this is what we use to get markings and location. So let's save and let's write. So let's by. See, see we have the location obtained. So if I click on this, you can see this is what we get the Google Maps gem plot. So this is what we'll get as our map.html file. So if I run the map.html by clicking run server, yeah, so it will open from the browser and we'll see how the map is actually displayed. So here we go. So you can see that we get the location. Yeah, we get the location. So this is our map. So you can see that it's becoming something. So that's where you go. So that's our plot, and you can see just display the map. You can move around. You can move around and get elsewhere. So yeah. So that's it. So check out for more videos. If you reach to there and subscribe and hit the like button.